Hi, I'm Mike from Hobart Welding Products. Today we're going to be building a hanging pots and pan holder. We're going to be using the IronMan 240 MIG welder. It can weld up to 1/2 inch thick mild steel. For today's project, we're going to need 1¼ inch square tubing. We're going to need 12 gauge 1¼ by 1¼ squares to cap the ends, and hooks with 2 inches of threads. We recommend pre-drilling your holes in your square tubing prior to welding for the hooks to go in.
Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
Here's a quick tip. Tack, square, weld. Our first step is going to be to tack the outer corner. Then we will square it and tack the inner corner. We will repeat this step on the other side, then we're ready to weld. Our next step is to tack on the end caps and weld them in place. Now that our welding and cleanup is done, all that's left to do is put the hooks in. Also, you can paint if you would like and use chain to hang from your ceiling. That'll just about do it for our project. As you can see, it only took a couple welds to make our pot and pan holder. For more tips and tricks, go to hobartwelders.com.